Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Excel in a quick and easy way. Let's get started. The first important step in finding duplicate data in a table is to define the area in which we want to look for duplicates. Here, we will select these two columns. You can also highlight the whole sheet by clicking into the top left-hand corner if you wish. Go to the Styles section and choose the Conditional Formatting option. Click on Highlight Cells Rules and select Duplicate Values. Excel will immediately look for and highlight all duplicates in a table of any size. It doesn't matter whether the table contains hundreds or thousands of entries. In our table here, we can see the duplicated data are located in rows 3 and 4. On the other hand, if we want to highlight unique values in the table, we would need to switch to Unique in the drop-down menu. Now, if we go back to the Duplicate option, we can change the color formatting of the highlighted data. Let's go through several examples together. We now confirm the choice by clicking OK. The duplicates get highlighted within the table. This highlighting of duplicates can be turned off by going back to the Styles section, clicking on Conditional Formatting again, and selecting Clear Rules. Here, you can decide whether you clear the rules from the selected cells only or from the entire sheet. Let's use the option Clear Rules from Entire Sheet because we want to remove the formatting from the entire spreadsheet. And we're done. The highlighting of duplicates has been removed. If you want to know how to delete duplicates from a table, watch our other video tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.